What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over our friend Giga. Currently sitting at 0.027. We just entered a trade before it started pumping. We're up 20% on the day. We're seeing a market cap 255 million, 25 volume, 14.57 million. So if we open the chart, you can see where we entered our trade. We're also in a trade for Ethereum, very close to TP1. So what we're looking for was a bounce from this target zone. That's exactly what we've seen. We've broken out of this bull pennant. So what you can do is you can take a measurement from the bottom of the pennant to the top, take it to your point of breakout, and that target alone could take you right up to about 0.050, and then our target for the trade is 0.0612. So I'm going to quickly remove this because we've already bounced out of our target zone, and I can give you guys the wave 3 target. I believe it's the same. Take a trend-based swim extension. La da da. Wow, I'm losing it today. From the bottom of that wave 1, off the low here at 0.008, under 1 cent. Wow. To the bottom of the wave 2. Yeah, you can see that target lines up perfectly. 161.8, 0.06127, which is the target for our trade at a risk to reward of 4-to-1 or 1-to-4. So that's what we're looking at for our friend Giga. If we look at, this is the daily chart. We've already had the bullish cross, came back to the EMAs, nice bounce. So you can see we're pushing up in a rising wedge. So the target of the top of that wedge is 0.037. So we'll see what happens, because you could be looking for leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you pull back before continuation. I'll have to keep a close eye on that with my trade here, but we'll see if we get rejected by 0.03708 or we just see a straight push back to the upside. So that's what we're looking at for Giga. If you want completely free access to my trade signals and my trading group, take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to Bitfinex. There's no strings attached. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America without a KYC or VPN, but it is available worldwide. Once you sign up, take that 30 seconds, send me an email, no strings attached. I will send you the link, which includes my daily crypto analysis. This is my trading Discord for all your favorite projects, including Giga. My exact crypto trade setups. We're going to trade for Ethereum and Giga, what I'm invested in, when I'm taking my profits, crypto news, and we have almost 3,000 members in the group. Yours free with the 30-second sign up to Bitfinex. That's it. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next one. Much love. Take care.